Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled She Stole $190,000 from a customer's credit card before getting caught by Cam Stories TV.
July 16, 2025, officers were dispatched to a restaurant after receiving a report that a waitress had allegedly stolen a customer's credit card information and used it to make unauthorized purchases totaling a large amount of money. When officers questioned her, she denied the allegations and claimed she did not know how the purchases had been made using the customer's card information. However, her story began to fall apart when officers confronted her with evidence.
You made a report over the phone?
Yes.
Okay. And let me just pull up that case number. Regardless of what case number, this is regarding credit card fraud. So
yes.
Can you just raise your right hand for me, Mr. Fana? Do you swear affirm that everything you're about to say in this statement is the truth, nothing but the truth?
Why are you making people do this? You're not in court.
To the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
Okay. All right, you can go ahead and put your arm down. All right, so what I want to talk to you about is the case that you reported on July 12th. So I'm going to kind of recite back what we talked about, and you just tell me if I'm on the, if I get anything wrong.
Yeah.
So you and your family member went out to eat June 15th. You guys have the same credit card.
It was June 21st.
June 21st.
Yeah,
okay.
Yep.
June 21st of this year, 2025. And you guys have the same credit card, right?
Yes,
a JetBlue Barclay credit card.
Yeah,
Just, one is one is in your name, one's in his name. You guys split the check somewhere and accidentally swap cards.
Exactly.
Right? Okay. You didn't notice until on July 11th, which was the day before you reported it, that there were some transactions you didn't conduct, right?
Yeah, so we started going down the list of, what was what, just to make sure, so we can either pay each other back and I started going down the list, and he was just like, I only went to two places that I remember with the card. And he was like, one of them was Walmart, and then one was his restaurant right after. He's like, I haven't used the card since then. So then I went down
the restaurant that was on there was a Chivo Liniera?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. That
you guys found was in Green Acres on 10th Avenue.
Yeah.
Right? And then you guys went through and also noticed that there was a JetBlue transaction?
I've never been there, so...
Okay, you've never been there, so you knew that he conducted that. He said he did that.
Yeah, he's like, I go there, so he's like, that's mine, I'll pay you back for that one.
Okay. Yeah. And that one was on June 29th?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So he went to that restaurant that day, but you also noticed more transactions, and he said he didn't do for JetBlue.
Yep.
And
JetBlue?
that was for an airplane ticket.
Yes.
And then for like a movie ticket or something for $19?
Yeah, I basically went down the whole list of everything from that day, from the day we swapped cards. I went all the way up and seen all the transactions.
Okay.
And we kind of just talked about which ones he did and which ones were not. And so
you and your wife were able to, using the e-ticket number, which was on your bank statement, you were able to look up that flight that was booked, right?
Yeah, I put it in and it just showed up.
You gotta be a stupid motherfucker to steal somebody's credit card and then book a flight in your name. You gotta be dumber than a box of rocks.
The person's ticket, which gave me all the information on there.
Okay, and then that person's ticket, because I'm looking at what you sent me now, it showed that your card was used as the last four. Yep. It was on July...
I think it's like the first...
July 1st, but that's the day it posted on your account. So, let me just see. So you sent me...
Yeah, so they purchased the ticket, and then pretty much I just called in. Actually, the credit card company gave me the name.
Oh, the credit card company gave you the name?
I said, I'm trying to figure out these charges. I was like, I didn't purchase any ticket. I was like, can you see like what the ticket is for and if there's a name on it? And they're the ones that actually gave me the name. That's how I was able to.
And then you guys were able to find it online.
Yeah. So
okay.
With the name, we just put it into Instagram and Facebook, and then that name came up. And honestly, if it wasn't because the name on there had the name of the restaurant, but I wouldn't have put it together because I was like.
So, but the JetBlue ticket you guys found from the ticket that was on your
yeah, it was on the from
bank statement.
Yes.
Yeah, so that
she
was
bold.
the ticket number.
Yes.
And that pulled up with a traveler, Mrs. on her booking, right? And then you said then later on you contacted the credit card company.
Yes.
Okay.
So
you disputed that, right?
Yeah, that's it. I already got a new card.
Okay, you already got a new card and you're waiting for the statement.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the billing cycle to end so I can see like all the details and everything on there. Which
Okay.
goes on the 19th.
So then you took this name and you guys looked it up on Instagram, right?
Yeah.
And on this name's Instagram profile, it said that the name of that restaurant that
restaurant,
your family member went to,
Yes,
right? That
yeah.
Mr. Socio went to,
Yeah.
the Chivo Loriana.
Yeah.
I don't
Yep.
know how to say it.
I don't know either.
Okay. All right. So you found that, and you were like, "Wow, these are connected," and that's when you contacted law enforcement,
Yeah,
right?
Yeah.
Okay. And I just want to confirm that you do not know this person, Miss
I don't.
Lorena
No.
Amalia Perez Martinez.
Yeah, and
They
I-
did not book this ticket.
And I did ask too when I was calling the credit card. The only reason those two stuck out the most was because they were both entered manually.
They were entered manually. Is
Yeah,
that what
yeah,
your
that's
credit
what-
card
yeah, that's what
company
they
said?
said. Yeah, they said.
Okay, like they weren't swiped or tapped.
Yeah.
Someone entered the cards
Yeah, so
manually.
she was like, these two were entered manually out of all the other transactions.
I didn't even know they could see shit like that.
I had one more transaction on there, and that was something that comes out automatically.
Mm-hmm.
So I told him that one, that's me, because I have that card set up for automatic. But these other ones, I don't know what it was.
Okay.
And those were only two that she was like, yeah, these two are entered manually. So
Okay.
the reason they're red like a red flag, I was like, I've never used that card.
Did you give that name to Mr. Socia? The Instagram? Did you show it to him? Did you say like, "Hey, do you recognize this girl?"
Yeah.
What did he say?
He said he doesn't know. He said it was his first time there. It's his wife's like third time there. So she's the one that actually recommended the spot. So,
Oh, okay. So he wasn't
she's been there
sure.
before, yeah. And it was his first time over there. So he's like, I
Okay.
don't know nobody. He's like, I don't
Okay.
know anybody over here. So
All right. And I
Yes.
do just want to confirm that you do want to prosecute, right?
yes.
Okay.
Hell
All right,
yeah.
is there anything else that you want to add to the statement?
That's it.
Okay.
That's it. As of right now, I just know those two charges, but I don't know if anything else is posting or pending. But it shouldn't because I canceled the card.
Yeah. You
Okay.
noticed it and then
Yeah, so-
disputed, cancel the card,
Yeah.
got a new card. Okay. All right. That will conclude this statement. Just raise your right hand one more time. Do you swear or affirm that everything you said in this statement is the truth, nothing but the truth, to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
Okay. And that'll conclude the statement at 14:43 hours. I'm Detective O'Connor, ID 37164. This is Deputy Cruz,
You big dummy.
ID 9090. And you speak a little bit of English?
Yes, a little bit understand, pero the speaking,
She know how to steal in Spanish.
Fluent Spanish?
yes.
Okay. All right. So I am going to have my partner here read you Miranda in Spanish so that you understand, okay?
Okay.
I don't know the Spanish one. Oh, you're good. Okay. What is your first and last name?
¿Cuál es su primer nombre y apellido?
Lorena.
Okay. So the receipt that I had you looking up
El recibo que ella le hizo que usted mirara
from June 29th
de junio 29
with that customer for.
con ese cliente por la cantidad.
De 77.
Okay. Did you conduct that transaction?
¿Usted hizo esa transacción?
Sí, so you're working here.
Yeah, but you were his server.
¿Usted fue la mesera de él?
Claro, pero no recuerdo lo que pasa.
Yeah, right. She talking about she ain't equitable. Bitch.
Okay, so this was the customer. Was this the customer?
¿Ese era el cliente?
So just so I know how things work, when you're a waitress, right?
Waitress,
Usted es
Okay.
mesera, ¿verdad?
So when you have a customer and they pay you, do you swipe the card?
Usted es la mesera. Cuando le pagan a usted, ¿usted pasa la tarjeta?
Sí.
Oh,
No, nosotros no, ellos.
They do.
They swipe the card.
No.
She says the waitress will hold the terminal and the
Pay,
customer will
phone,
swipe the card.
Okay, I have to pay. Pay
That boy's ain't finna get you out of jail, baby.
the customer is the punch
The card.
the card.
Okay, so the customer. So you don't ever walk away with the credit card.
Usted nunca se va con la tarjeta en la mano.
No, ellos ponen la tarjeta.
Okay.
Okay.
No, they put the card in there.
Okay. So then how did you use that credit card to book a flight to Santo Domingo?
Entonces, ¿cómo
Damn.
fue que usted utilizó esa tarjeta para comprar un ticket, un vuelo a Santo Domingo?
No, yo no utilizo.
For July
No.
20th.
No, I haven't do that. Para julio 20.
No he utilizado esa tarjeta porque ni reconozco la persona, ni
No, I
siquiera.
haven't used that card because I don't even recognize the person.
It's not about you recognizing the person. There is a flight booked to Santo Domingo.
No remember.
You don't remember.
No se acuerda.
Okay.
No es que yo ni me acuerdo del señor.
No
ni
se
siquiera.
acuerda por qué hay el ticket para el vuelo. So, my
She don't
question
remember.
was, so you
How fucking convenient.
don't remember anything about this flight? She said, no. And I said, so who bought the ticket? I don't know.
But your mom is in Santo Domingo right now, right?
Yes,
Pero
my
su
mother
mamá está en
like it.
Santo
Sí,
Domingo.
ella está de vacaciones.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
she's
you're
over there.
supposed to go see
Oh yeah, you're cooked, babe.
your mom, right?
No,
No bueno.
no porque estoy aquí trabajando.
¿Cuándo iba a ir a verla?
Yo siempre voy todo mensual, yo siempre voy a Dominicana.
I go to Dominican Republic monthly.
Okay.
Vivimos todos aquí.
We all live here.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Do you have pictures in your phone from that day? June 29th.
¿No tiene fotos de junio 29?
No, solamente mis fotos normales.
Ay, no veo, porque como está el teléfono para allá, no
ok,
alcanzo a
sorry.
verlas.
Solo mis fotos normales. Mira.
¿Y cuál es junio 29?
It was purchased on July 1st. The flight.
El vuelo fue comprado en julio 1
Fort Lauderdale, Santo Domingo.
de Fort Lauderdale a Santo Domingo.
What money did you use for this flight?
¿Qué dinero
No,
utilizó usted
no,
para
es
pagar
lo
eso?
que yo le digo, que yo compro mis vuelos, o sea, yo hago mis vuelos, yo viajo cada mes, siempre, pero yo compro mis vuelos, como yo le digo a ellos.
But look, there's other two passengers.
JetBlue,
No.
Fort Lauderdale to Santo
Damn, she booked first class tickets too. Shit.
Domingo, July 20th, and then August 5th you come back here. The credit card number ending in that credit card, MasterCard ending in was your customer's credit card.
Esa es la tarjeta de su cliente. I keep pushing the issue, like, how did this card was used to pay for that ticket? She said that's exactly what she would like to know.
Just take her out to jail. She ain't finna admit to that.
So she said she has no idea how that happened.
You don't know how you did it.
No.
Eso es lo que no entiendo.
¿Quién compró el pasaje? Who purchased the ticket?
Mis pasajes los compro yo.
So I asked her, like, who completed
She
the
just said her.
transaction? I'm not asking her about the card. I just want to know who put the information, the name, the date of birth, and all that. And she says, I don't know. And I said, well, after that was completed, you took pictures with your phone.
Sí.
So
Es lo
she
que le
says
estoy
that she doesn't understand how that credit card information got there.
How the fuck? Come on, girl. They already got the proof of what you was doing. You put it in your name, stupid.
She says when those people came, I didn't take their card. They pay in here, and I say how many people were on the table. She doesn't remember.
Okay. All right. Tell her that this is her last chance to tell the truth.
Esta es su última oportunidad de decirnos la verdad, ser honesta y decirnos exactamente qué fue lo
You
que
either
pasó.
want to tell me the truth or not, but I know what happened.
Si usted nos quiere decir la verdad, para usted quedar mejor, pero nosotros ya sabemos lo que sucedió. El delantal.
Turn around.
¿Por qué me lleva?
Turn around.
Pero no pueden hablar.
No, señora, dése la vuelta, ponga las manos atrás. My radio is,
I mean, she was getting arrested anyway, but the fact that she's the one to sit up there and lie,
radio
that's
is
crazy.
attached.
My phone.
Llevar su teléfono y salga por ahí.
Ella dice que me vaya.
The walk of shame.
No sé.
The woman was charged with grand theft, credit card fraud, and identity theft.
Damn. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel tremendously. Thank you for coming on to Deuce Live Clips. This is my second reaction page. Don't forget, like I said, don't forget to hit that subscribe and that notification bell, because I upload here daily too. Trying to get up to two times a day, then maybe 3. We got a video coming premiering right after this one, so see you guys for the next one. It's the pinned comment, and that's it, baby. We out.